Hi everyone, Zena here, welcome back to my channel. Today's look is the next in my party series, and today I am doing a work party. So this is a look for a work party that is over and above, I guess, daytime hours. So it's definitely a nighttime look. So if it's for a Christmas party or a financial year party or any type of work function that you have that involves sort of dressing up over and above what you normally wear to work, taking the makeup up a notch, then this is definitely a look that you can potentially do. For this look, I have gone kind of triple smoked with the eyes. I've gone very vampy with lots of burgundies. I've kept it matte overall, also with a matte nude lip, just because there is a shit ton happening with the eyes. Just to make sure that it isn't not completely porcelain and not too matte, I have included just a little bit of shimmer just up here on the cheeks, but aside from that, it is pretty matte. For this look, you can use any type of colours, so if the burgundy isn't really your thing, feel free to use purples or browns or greens or, you know, different shades of the same colour, pretty much with using any colour that you want. For this particular look, I have used 3 palettes, or the burgundies from 3 palettes. I have used the Me Vita Loca palette, which I haven't used in ages, so it was nice to pull that one out again. I've used the Rose Gold Edition Huda Beauty palette, and I have used this Maroon palette, which I've had for a million years, but I continue to go back to these palettes because the colour payoff is so great. They're really good for blending, and yeah, I just really like the burgundy in this one as well. I'm actually almost about to hit pan on it. Surprisingly, with the Huda Beauty palette, I used the Man-Eater colour, which is this one here. And I did find I had to really sort of go back in again and again to try and build the colour. Colour payoff wasn't quite as strong as I expected. Yeah, that was really quite surprising. I didn't expect that, but nevertheless we got there in the end. What else can I tell you? Definitely do allow an extra 20 minutes at least for this look. Although it does look simple, and it pretty much is, it does involve a hell of a lot of blending. Yeah, definitely be prepared for that. But aside from that, it's a great look. I hope you like it as well. I enjoyed doing it. If you're not already subscribed, please feel free to do so for lots more colourful looks. I would love to have you on board. And if you like this video, please feel free to give me a thumbs up. I definitely appreciate it. Anyway, let me show you how to get this look.
To wait for the right time, and I think tonight might just be right. I know you want to do it too, so bring your courage, there's no rules. Don't be scared, just trust me, take my hand. Any minute now, get ready to smile. And I just wanna see the colors and rainbows, 'cause we just wanna be in this dream forever. Just in this dream forever. Just forever. Just in this dream forever. Now that you're knee deep in this vice, just enjoy, take my advice. You say